Today, I'm here with an amazing video for you all. Before I start, look at these pictures. See the first one? Can you see the image? It is a morning scene when the sun is rising. Check out the second picture. Yes. Which scene it is? It is the afternoon when sun is shining bright and is overhead. Let's check out the third picture. Wow. We can see the birds are returning back to their home. And sun is going down. It is the evening scene. Last, we can see the sky with twinkling stars and moon is shining bright. So, it is the night scene. All these four pictures present different time of the day. So, which is your favorite time of the day? I know some of you might be saying morning, some of you might say afternoon, some may like evening, and others may like night. I hope you all love these pictures. Do you like getting up early in the morning? Tell me. I know. Sometimes we feel really lazy. Sometimes we are excited. And sometimes we feel more sleepy during the morning hours. But I tell you, waking up in the morning is really exciting. To know about this, let's recite today's poem called Good Morning. Yes, what's the name? Good Morning. And it is taken from your book Marigold. Also, in this poem, there's a child. And let's see, how does the child feel during the morning time? So, let's enjoy.
Good morning sky, good morning sun, good morning little winds that run, good morning birds, good morning trees, and creeping grass and brownie bees. Good morning sky, good morning sun, good morning little winds that run, good morning birds, good morning trees, and creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was a day? Who told you night had gone away? I am wide awake, I am up now too, I'll be right out to play with you.
Wow, what a lovely song! Actually, it's a poem. Now, let's hear it one more time. The poem Good Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sky.
Good morning, sun.
Good morning, little winds that run.
Good morning, birds.
Good morning, trees.
And creeping grass and brownie bees.
How did you find out it was day?
Who told you night had gone away?
I'm wide awake.
I am up now too.
I'll be right out to play with you.
I hope you all enjoyed the audio. Now come on, it's time to recite with me. Will you? So let's recite.
Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little winds that run. Yes, repeat. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little winds that run. Good morning, birds. Good morning, trees. And creeping grass and brownie bees. Come on, repeat with me. Good morning, birds. Good morning, trees. And creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? How did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? I'm wide awake. I'm wide awake. I'm up now too. Repeat. I'm wide awake. I'm up now too. I'll be right out to play with you. I'll be right out to play with you. So, did you like the poem? I hope you all have enjoyed reciting with me. Great. So, let's pay attention to these new words. The first word is creeping. What is the meaning of creeping? Creeping means crawling. But here, in this poem, the word creeping means growing. Because the poet has said creeping grass means growing grass. Next word is awake. What do you mean by awake? Any guess? Yes? Tell? Good. Try? Yes, it means to get up or to wake up. See, in the poem, the poet says, I am wide awake. Check out this line. Third word is gone away. Gone away means? Yes, any guess? Gone away here means ended or something which is over. In the poem, the poet says, who told you night had gone away? Check out the word gone away. Can you see this? Read the following statement and tell if it is true or false. The first is the child says good night to her mother in the poem. Tell me, is it true or false? I know you all know the answer. Very good try. It is a false statement because in the poem we see the child wakes up in the morning. Next, the color of the bees mentioned in the poem is yellow. Yes, tell me, is it true or false? What's the color of the bees? Answer? Yes. Is it true? No, it's false. The bees are of brown color. Next, the child wakes up during the morning time. True or false?
I know you all know this answer. It is a true statement. Very good. Next, the child wants to move out to play with birds, bees, and trees. Yes, find out whether it is true or false. We have recited in the poem, we have read out. Tell me, it is true. The child is excited to go out and play. Now, let's move to another exercise. It's a small quiz, and I hope you all will love to play it with me. So, are we ready? You have to choose the correct option for the given statements. The first one is the child says good morning to the options are A, to the moon, B, to the hills, C, to the sky, D, to the river. Yes, tell me. What is the correct answer? Very good. It is option C. The child says good morning to the sky. Next, during the morning hours, the child is. Options are A. Wide awake, B. Sleepy, C. Lazy, or D. Sad. Tell me, how is the child during the morning hours? What is the correct answer? It's A. Very good. During the morning hours, the child is wide awake. Next, the child says good morning to the dash grass. Options are A. To the sleeping grass, B. To the creeping grass, C. To the shaking grass, or D. None of the above. Find out. We all have read this in the poem. Check out the correct answer. It's B. The child says good morning to the creeping grass. Creeping means growing grass. I hope you all have loved this activity. Now, it's time to do some of the fill-ups. Fill in the correct word given in the bracket to complete the sentence. Let's start. The dash twinkle at night. The words in the bracket are stars, sun, or moon. Yes. Take the correct one. Choose the correct word. What twinkles at night? Yes. The correct answer is the stars twinkle at night. Next, we get honey from. Options are choose. We get honey from bees, grass, or butterfly. Find out. Fill with the correct answer. Yes, we all know that we get honey from the bees. Next, trees give us. Words are wood, plastic, or steel. Yes, what do we get from trees? Wood, plastic, or steel? You all know this, yes? We get wood. Very good. Next, the sun gives us. Words are water, light, or air. What do we get from sun? Choose the correct word. We get light. Correct. So, I hope you have loved these activities and enjoyed the poem as well. Now, let's look at the time given below. Can you see? We can see a clock and the time is being displayed. Write down whether we should greet our friend at this time by saying good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or good night. You can see 4 clocks with the time. Check out and fill the correct greeting by which we will greet a friend. Check out the first one. It shows 4 p.m. So, how would we greet? We will say good evening. Very good. Check out the second clock. The time here is 7 a.m. How would we greet? By saying, very good, by saying good morning. Next, the clock shows 1 p.m. So, how would we greet our friend? What would we say? We would say good afternoon. Next, here the clock reads out 9 p.m. So, we would greet our friend by saying good night. I hope you all have understood the greetings we use for different time of the day.
Now let's start with another interesting exercise. The name of this activity is word building. Let's say aloud. Find words in the poem which rhyme with the word bees, day, and do. Let's try and find. The rhyming word for bees is, find out, very good. It's trees. Wonderful. The rhyming word for day is away. The rhyming word for do is you. Excellent. After these rhyming words, let's come to another important and interesting exercise. What do you see around you during the day and at night? Imagine and visualize that during daytime, what do you see? And at night, what do you see? You have to draw the day scene and the night scene in the given box, and then you have to color the picture. Fine. I hope you all have enjoyed this poem and you have come to know about various beautiful things that we see during the morning time. We have learned how we greet during the morning time, during the afternoon time, and during the bedtime. So, you all enjoy this poem. Try to find out the rhyming words, recite it, and learn by heart. So, kids, enjoy and stay safe.
Enjoy the song once again.
Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little winds that run. Good morning, birds. Good morning, trees. And creeping grass and brownie bees. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little winds that run. Good morning, birds. Good morning, trees. And creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was a day? Who told you night had gone away? I am wide awake, I am up now too. I'll be right out to play with